Hi, today I'll be doing an in-depth comparison of Descript and CapCut, two prominent video editing platforms. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, choosing the right tool can significantly impact your creative process. So let's explore these platforms in detail to help you make an informed decision at the end. Let's dive right in. Let's begin with Descript. Descript is an AI-powered all-in-one video and audio editing software designed to simplify the editing process. Its standout feature is the text-based editing interface, allowing users to edit audio and video by directly modifying the transcript, making the process as intuitive as editing a document. Beyond this, Descript offers a suite of powerful tools, including transcription, screen recording, collaborative features, and advanced audio editing capabilities. It's available as both a desktop application and a web-based tool, providing flexibility across various devices. Now let's take a look at CapCut. Developed by ByteDance, CapCut is a free, all-in-one video editor that's gained immense popularity, especially among social media enthusiasts. Initially launched as a mobile app, CapCut has expanded to include web and desktop versions for Mac and Windows, catering to users who prefer editing on larger screens. The platform offers a plethora of features, including filters, effects, transitions, and a vast library of music, enabling users to create captivating videos with ease. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible to both beginners and experienced editors. Both platforms have seen significant updates recently. Descript has introduced features like AI-powered clip selection, which identifies the most engaging segments of your content, and AI avatars, allowing creators to generate lifelike video representations. Additionally, the eye contact feature ensures that speakers appear to maintain eye contact with the camera, enhancing viewer engagement. On the other hand, CapCut has expanded its AI toolset with innovations like Dreamina, an AI image generator that creates visuals from text and image prompts, and an AI voice generator that produces realistic speech from text inputs.
Hi there, feel free to enter your text here and select a voice to try it out.
That was a sample. These advancements aim to streamline the creative process and offer users more dynamic content creation. Now let us talk about the main features of Descript and CapCut. First, Descript. Text-based editing. Edit your videos and podcasts by simply editing the transcripts. This approach makes it easy to remove filler words, correct mistakes, and rearrange content seamlessly. Screen recording. Capture high-quality screen recordings with ease, making it ideal for tutorials and presentation. Collaboration tools. Multiple users can work on the same project simultaneously, enhancing team productivity. AI speech generation. Create realistic voiceovers using AI, which can be particularly useful for content creators needing quick voice work. Studio sound. Enhance audio quality by reducing background noise and improving clarity, ensuring your content sounds professional. How about CapCut? Mobile-friendly editing. CapCut allows users to edit videos on the go, making it convenient for quick edits and uploads. Extensive library of effects. Access a wide range of filters, transitions, and stickers to enhance your videos creatively. Social media integration. Easily export and share your creations directly to platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, optimizing formats for each platform. AI tools. Utilize features like the AI video generator and AI voice changer to add unique elements to your content effortlessly. Auto captions. Automatically generates captions for your videos, improving accessibility and engagement. Now let us talk about the pricing of Descript and CapCut. When it comes to pricing, Descript operates a subscription-based model with various tiers, offering a free version with basic features and paid plans that unlock advanced functionalities. There's the Orbis plan at $12 per person per month the creator plan at $24 per person per month, and the business plan at $40 per person per month. Then there's the enterprise plan, which is custom made. CapCut, in contrast, is free to use, providing a comprehensive suite of tools without a subscription fee, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious creators. Well, for more advanced features, CapCut now has a pro version. What are the pros and cons of using Descript and CapCut? First, we talk about the pros for Descript. Innovative editing approach. The text-based editing system simplifies complex editing tasks. Robust collaboration features. It is ideal for teams working remotely or collaboratively. Advanced audio tools. You can enhance sound quality without needing third-party applications. CapCut Pros. User-friendly interface. Accessible to beginners with its intuitive design. Free version widely available. The free version offers a wide array of features without any cost. Rich feature set. Provides numerous effects and tools suitable for social content. How about the cons? For Descript, the learning curve. The unique editing approach may require some time to get accustomed to. The cost. The subscription-based model may be a consideration for those on tight budgets. How about the cons for CapCut? Limited advanced features. It may not meet the needs of professional editors requiring more sophisticated tools. And the mobile-centric design. While desktop versions are available, the platform is primarily optimized for mobile use. Well, in conclusion, both Descript and CapCut offer valuable tools tailored to different user needs. Descript stands out with its innovative text-based editing and advanced audio features, making it ideal for professionals, podcasters, and those working in a collaborative environment. Its AI-powered tools are great for refining content with precision, but the learning curve and subscription cost might deter casual users. CapCut, on the other hand, is a fantastic free alternative for social media creators, offering quick and creative edits with an intuitive interface. Which one is better depends on your specific needs. For example, if you are a content creator working heavily with dialogue-driven content and you need powerful AI tools, Descript is a solid choice. But if you're focused on fast, visually appealing edits for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts, then CapCut might be the better fit. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Adobe Premiere Rush, DaVinci Resolve, and Final Cut Pro. Thank you for joining me on this comprehensive comparison. I hope this information assists you in making an informed decision. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.